Hello students, I am Poonam here again to finish this our chapter with our session 3. Today we are going to represent this rational numbers on a number line. So how will you draw a number line? I hope you all know it. But representing a number that is rational number on a number line, we have to start with whether the rational number is positive or negative. For representing a positive rational number, our 0 should be on left side of a number line. Now, first of all, you have to see the denominator. If you have to make the parts of a number line as much as the denominator. So here our denominator is 7. So 7 parts we have to make. At the 7th part we will be writing 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Why is it so? Because 7 upon 7 if we write is equal to 1. So our 7th part will be 1. Then again the 7th part will be 2. So this number is 2. Now our number which we need to represent is 4 upon 7. So we have to count the 4th part out of 7. So our 4th part is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this part is 4 upon 7. It is very easy. Even we learned it last year also. We have to make parts as much as the denominator. So here our number is 4 upon 7. So we will be counting is the 4th part. Now when you want to represent a negative rational number, our 0 should be on the right side of a number line, because the negative numbers lie to the left of 0. So our 0 should be on the right side of a number line. Now here the denominator is 5. So at every 5 numbers, 5 parts we have to write the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this 5th part will be 1, that is minus 1. Then again 5 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this part will be minus 2 and this part will be minus 3. Now what we have to represent is minus 2 integer 4 upon 5. So our number will be lying after minus 2. So we have to plot the number that is 4th point after minus 2. So that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this point is minus 2 integer 4 upon 5. Hope you all got it. This is the revision of our 7th grade only. You have already learned this in your 7th standard. And now our next topic of tomorrow is finding rational numbers between the given two rational number. So our first example is write 4 rational number between 0 and minus 2. Now when you are writing 4 rational numbers between 0 and minus 2, these two numbers, given numbers, are integers. So here writing rational numbers between these two numbers is very easy. You can just write it as minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.3 and minus 0.4. But a rational number means the number in P upon Q form. So now we have to write these numbers in P upon Q form. So that is minus 1 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 3 upon 10 and minus 4 upon 10. So here we get 4 rational numbers that are lying between 0 and minus 2 on a number line. Now our next example. Here we are going to find 7 rational numbers between 5 upon 8 and minus 5 by 6. Here you see in our question only the given numbers are rational numbers. So here what we have to do is, first of all we have to make the denominators same. For making the denominators same we have to take the LCM. Now what will be the LCM of 8 and 6? It will be 24. The LCM of 8 and 6 will be 24. So we will be making our denominators same. So here 5 by 8 will be equal to 15 by 24 and minus 5 by 6 will be equal to minus 20 upon 24. Now getting 7 rational numbers between minus 20 upon 24 and 15 upon 24 is very easy. We can write 7 numbers between them. So it could be minus 19 upon 24, minus 18 upon 24, minus 17 upon 24. Any numbers till 15 upon 24 we can write. So it could be 1 upon 24, 9 upon 24, 11 upon 24, 14 upon 24. Any numbers till 15 upon 24 we can write. So these are the 7 numbers between minus So here we get 7 rational numbers between our given rational number, that is minus 20 upon 24 and 15 upon 24. Now our next example is find 3 rational numbers between 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 5. Again here our denominators are different, so we have to take LCM of them. Our LCM will be 10. So 1 upon 2 will be 5 upon 10 and 1 upon 5 will be 2 upon 10. Between 5 upon 10 and 2 upon 10, which numbers lie? That is 3 upon 10 and 4 upon 10. So only 2 numbers lie between these 2 rational numbers. But we need 3 numbers. So what we have to do is we have to multiply again this by 2. Both the rational numbers by 2. So here we get 10 upon 20 and here we get 4 upon 20. So between 4 upon 20 and 10 upon 20, we will be getting 3 rational numbers. And those numbers will be 5 upon 20, 6 upon 20 and 7 upon 20. So we get our 3 rational numbers between 4 upon 20 and 10 upon 20. This is how you are going to find rational numbers, and based on both these questions, that is plotting a rational number on the number line and finding rational numbers between the given 2 numbers, I have given one assignment which you all are going to do. So students, our lesson number 1 is completed over here, and along with the assignment I am going to send you the textual exercise also. So you are going to perform all the 3 assignments and the textual exercise number 1.1 and 1.2. So happy learning and thank you.